In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend data in Google Looker Studio, previously known as Google Data Studio. This is an essential skill for those who want to create comprehensive dynamic reports by combining data from multiple sources. Whether you're a marketer compiling campaign metrics or an analyst unifying diverse data sets, understanding data blending will streamline your reporting process and enhance your ability to make data-driven decisions. So let's dive right in and follow this step-by-step guide to get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Looker Studio. This is your gateway to building, editing, and sharing dynamic, data-driven reports. Once you're at the Looker Studio homepage, you're ready to begin creating your report. Click on Report in the top menu. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to choose your data sources and begin designing your visuals. With your report open, the next step is to click on Edit. This will switch your report into editing mode, unlocking all the features you need to customize and refine your data presentation. Keep in mind, this is the space where you can manipulate your data sources, and this step is crucial for blending data. Now that you're in editing mode, it's time to focus on the data panel. Located typically at the top of your dashboard, clicking this will bring up a section where you can manage your data source settings. The data panel is your toolbox, giving you control over which datasets feed into your report. Make sure you have all the datasets you're looking to blend connected. The next crucial step is to click on Blend Data. This function is truly powerful as it allows you to combine metrics and dimensions from multiple data sources into a single chart or table in your report. It's particularly useful when you want to create reports that draw on diverse datasets without initial manual data integration. Once you've clicked on Blend Data, you'll be prompted to add details for the datasets you want to blend. Here, details mean selecting the specific dimensions and metrics you'd like to blend. You want to ensure that you select key columns that logically link your datasets, like a common identifier, to ensure the most accurate and effective data blending. Take your time to review these selections, as they will dictate the outcome of your blended dataset. Finally, after reviewing your blended data, you'll need to save your changes. Click on Save to preserve your work, and make sure that your blended data is ready for visualization. This step ensures that all your efforts in combining and refining the data do not go to waste. And there you have it, you've successfully blended data in Google Looker Studio. This powerful feature allows you to present unified insights from different datasets, providing a clearer, more comprehensive view of your data landscape. Remember, the more you practice, the more intuitive this process will become, allowing you to leverage data blending for better, more impactful reports. Thank you for joining me today, and happy data blending.